Kevin, the MakerFest, it's starting.
Oh goodness. Hi everybody, I'm Kevin Inkster and welcome to 2021 MakerFest. There's going to be some fantastic makers and some wonderful projects and some very inspirational work for you to look at. There'll be a lot of makers that you already know, and we'll be introducing you to some new ones as well. This year will be a little different than last year. We'll be using Zoom a lot, so you'll be able to talk directly with the makers even while the session is showing on YouTube. If the Zoom isn't available, you'll be able to go straight onto the YouTube channel and chat directly with them. And we're going to be giving away a lot of prizes, and there's going to be a lot of show specials in your regions as well. We started these MakerFests back in 2020 when the pandemic hit, and of course a lot of the world is now still in lockdown, so a lot of you are still, in your homes and your apartments, etc. So we see it as another opportunity to bring you all together and share some of these ideas. Personally, I think that being creative is one of the best ways of staying sane when we're locked up at home, etc. And fortunately, I've got a bit of a shed, and I've been getting into all of these hacks and these ideas. And I know a lot of the makers around the world, some of the best makers in the world, have got so much to show you. There's so much fun to be had for all of us. Okay, let's get this show underway. Hopefully, I'll see you on Zoom. I've got work to do. If you want to see this finished, you're going to have to tune in.